Good afternoon, students. Today we shall learn the continuation of the chapter 6, Piles Mischief, part 2. As we have heard in the last explanation, how the Pile hid the donkey and pretended normal in front of everyone. Now, when the laundryman came to know about the donkey, actually, when he was inside the house, and when he came back and saw the donkey missing from the place where he tied him, dropping his bundle of the clothes on the veranda, he ran about in all the directions, searching for his donkey. But he did not find him, and he started crying and screaming. Now, Payal was present at that moment, but she told that she did not know where the donkey was. But she had seen the donkey break loose and went towards the forest. The laundryman, hearing this, ran towards the forest. For a moment, there was a peace in the house. But then later on, an unexpected guest had arrived. It was Mr. Ali, an old friend of Payal's father. He was given a warm welcome by her mother, and she showed him the guest room, one at the end of the courtyard. Okay. Now Payal was very nervous and scared about the mischief. She did not know now what to do. She's afraid that Mr. Ali doesn't go into the bathroom till she reaches before him and get out the donkey of it. But she couldn't escape from Sahil and her cousin. Now the donkey sitting at the corner of the bathroom was dreaming of delicious food that was to be prepared by Payal. Mr. Ali, he was a very tidy man. He always bathed twice a day. But he but that day he thought of getting more than usual. He went to the bathroom and locked the door, the one from his bedroom, and he did not switch on the light as he was much familiar with the arrangements. Now Mr. Ali could see something through the glue. His heart stopped beating. Meanwhile, the donkey was still dreaming of food. He thought the voices he heard from the next room were preparing food for him. Now, as the door was opened, the donkey saw a tall, bald fellow in the wooden clogs with no grass, no grains, and no food. He started braying loudly and jumping on his feet. As it was dark, Mr. Ali, out of nervousness, could not find the right door. He still went towards the door, which was bolted by the pile from outside. But then Mr. Ali was sure that there was some genie or ghost. The sound of Mr. Ali and donkey braying brought everyone running from all the directions. Now, Ali felt a wolf was attacking him, trying to dodge his attacker, and he kept yelling and screaming for help. As we all know, students, only the Payal knew what was the trouble in the bathroom. Now, the servants were trying to break the door from the bedroom, and mother was standing outside. The Bosco came running and barking loudly. But Bosco, instead of reaching the bedroom, he ran around the courtyard door that Payal had bolted from outside. And there he started barking more furiously. Hearing the sound from both the doors, Mr. Ali thought more evil spirits had come to help their friend. Now, screaming grew more and more. Seeing Bosco barking, Payal was frightened and angry. Angry as she was not happy to have the Bosco. And right then, mother saw Bosco pointing at the door. She ran and unbolted the door. As the door opened, Mr. Ali, he was respiring open mouthed, and he came out, and behind him, Donkey came out. Both of them ran unconsciously, kicking the flower pots. The donkey ran towards his village. Mr. Ali was in the garden, almost being out of breath. The servants would convince him that it was only the laundryman's donkey. But still, he couldn't believe. How can donkey come inside the bathroom? It convinced himself that it was an evil spirit. Now, but still, he was very scared and frightened. Now, mother was sorting things with the children. She quickly understood who had done all the mischief. Now, mother lost all her patience and gave a good slap to Payal that she will remember for a long time. Okay, means as long as Mr. Ali will remember being attacked by an evil spirit, Payal will also remember the slap. Now, students, in this way, Payal's mischief brought everyone in trouble. Now, this is all about the chapter. I hope you all have understood it. If any queries, you can contact me. Very soon I'll send you the answers. Okay. Thank you.